How much is a Polestar 2 on salary sacrifice this month?
Based upon what we do all these videos on, 3 years, 10,000 miles, mid-40s, Cheshire postcode, earns about £65,000 a year, 40% taxpayer. Right now, Polestar 2, single motor, £451.21. So that includes the car, the maintenance, which is all your servicing, any consumable items. It includes your tyres, punctures, wear, everything. And then the big one, it includes insurance. So it's a 3-year fixed price, fully comprehensive insurance. It's not going to go up at any point in that 3 years.
Okay, how much if you were to lease that car personally, exact same car?
Go out, lease that car personally. Right now, that's going to cost you £463.70. I checked that price just before we came up here.
Okay, so it's a little bit more expensive, but the key part is that doesn't include insurance.
You've got to insure it and maintain it.
Okay, and that's going to add up.
Yes, so like you're already paying £12 more than you need to, and then you've still got to maintain it and insure it. So if you're trying to be careful with your money, it's not the way to do it.
And how much is it if you went out and got a used one?
Went on just before we came up here, went on Autotrader. I found a 2-year-old Polestar 2, exactly the same specification. So I worked this out with £1,000 deposit that you're putting down. Again, 3 years, 10,000 miles, be £350 for the car. But that's a 2-year-old car. So it's going to come out of warranty in a year's time, and you're going to have to MOT it, then you have to service it, and you're going to have to insure it. I'd wager that you're going to spend more than £100 a month on your insurance and your maintenance costs on that car for having a 2-year-old car when you could have a brand new one. Some people might go, I prefer just to buy a used car because that's what I've always done. I think you're doing false economy there, and I think potentially you're being quite stubborn as to opening your eyes to, is there a better deal? If this is about money and you want to save money, add up all the cost of your motoring. You've got to factor in insurance and you've got to factor in servicing costs.
With the salary sacrifice one, is there a deposit?
No, it's equal payments. So again, that car had £1,000 deposit. You got to stump up the front. There's nothing. It's just equal amounts taken out your salary each month.